Okay, mic test, mic test. I probably should have done that before I started the stream. Come on. Oh well, okay. Today is November 4th, 2019. This is my Forex market analysis. Alright, mic sounds okay. It's not great, but Euro US dollar. Okay, so we had a breakout of this parallel channel. It's still in this channel wedge formation here that it's been in. We do have an engulfing candle here. It engulfed what? Almost 3 days of price action. Not exactly a double top, not exactly an RSI divergence, so it doesn't really fit my rules for a trade to take, but something to keep our eyes on. We'll see. I don't know. Could just be a retracement, and that would be my guess, so we'll see. Alright, British pound, US dollar. Yeah, pretty big breakout on this wedge we had forming here. This downtrend line did not hold. So I'm looking for a retracement back to this. Maybe we'll see that here. Possibly. Tough to say. But anyway. US dollar, Canadian dollar. What am I seeing here? I don't know. Tough to say right now. We'll see. We will see, won't we? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Australian dollar, US dollar. Get rid of that. Can't remember what I did with my long position. Did I get out on this? I think I got out here. I think so. Anyway, good setup. Let me draw this trend line here. Alright. US dollar, Japanese yen is wedging. US dollar, Swiss franc, we kind of have a descending triangle forming here on a lower time frame. It's more obvious, so that's something to keep our eyes on. Maybe we can catch a short on another touch of this trend line. We'll see. We'll mark it actually. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's see here. What do we got? Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Similar to the euro, but still not an RSI divergence double top, so nothing I really want to touch. Australian dollar, Singapore dollar is still wedging down. It's been a very long wedge on this thing, so we'll see. But I'm still waiting for it to touch this flash crash low. Was that really January 19, 2019? Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Swiss franc, Norwegian krone. I have a short on. I don't know. It was wedging up. Excuse me. It was wedging up here. Then we had double top, RSI divergence. Not exactly the greatest top formation, obviously. And it looks like now it might turn into a head and shoulders. I'm unsure though. I'm looking for a right shoulder to form here. That's what I'm expecting, but we'll see. Offshore Chinese yuan, Japanese yen. Have a wedge forming here. Euro odd, still kind of riding this trend line. Broke out of the top part of here, what I thought was kind of a triangle formation. Yeah. Actually. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Alright. Euro Canadian dollar. I'm actually gonna get rid of that. Alright. Still wedging down here. It looks to be right at the top of that wedge trend line. It's tough to say, depending on how you draw it. Still wedging though. Yeah. Euro Swiss franc. Wedging. Nothing on these. Let's see here. Euro Norwegian krone looks like it's going to form a head and shoulders here. Let's watch for that right shoulder to form. Euro Polish zloty I have a trade on. I've had this for a while now. It actually caught some upside today, so we'll see how long that lasts. Still confident it's going to hit my take profit, but we'll see. Euros there, no. Same thing, kind of similar to the euro there. British pound, Canadian dollar. Not quite a double top or RSI divergence though, but a good setup, a good looking setup. I bet this is probably about a 0.618 from that high. Yep, 0.618 exactly. Good looking setup, but still not what I want. This is triangling here right at support resistance. Yep. That's triangling right at support resistance. I don't have drawn. Maybe I do. It's just black. I can't tell. Terrible looking trend up, but nonetheless, it was wedging down here like crazy. These were the two peak lows. Found support on this trend line here, and it's looking good now. It's kind of wedging though. If these tops hold, we'll see. Another short ahead, British pound, Norwegian krone. Pretty large RSI divergence. Pretty bearish candles here. We'll see though. I don't know. At the same time, it doesn't look too bearish, but it needs to break this. We'll see. British pound, New Zealand dollar is setting up for what looks like a double top. So keep your eye on that. I don't really know where to draw this trend line. I'll draw it here. Yeah, looks like it's going to retest that high. So British pound, Polish zloty, I've had this short on for a while now. Still hasn't gotten hit, which could be a good thing because it's not looking too strong. Or too bearish. Yeah. We'll see. British pound, Swedish krona, I have a short on this. Double top here with the RSI divergence. Will it hold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will it hold? I don't know. It's triangling right now, so we need to see a breakout lower, which I think we might. Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen. I need to update these charts. Some of these are just really behind. I just kind of glance at them and I don't really put too much effort. Shoot. That was dumb. Where was I? Where was I? Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. Norwegian krone. That's still in the triangle there. That broke out. Oosh, man, am I tired. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Kind of looks like we're getting an inverted head and shoulders here. We'll see. Left shoulder, head. And there's even a smaller one here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That broke. I don't know if I would call that the right shoulder of this thing. We'll see. But I think... Let me update this. Jeez. Yeah, we should see another, at least a similar drop down here to get that right shoulder. Oil. Looks like a descending triangle to me. Singapore dollar, Hong Kong dollar, big breakout on this. I was bearish. I thought this was going to hold. Descending triangle, nope. So I expect a retracement. Excuse me. Turkish lira, Japanese yen is in a triangle. USD, that looks like it's breaking lower out of this parallel channel, so we'll see. Kind of was a head and shoulders pattern here. It is a head and shoulders, but it's not perfect. But yeah. US dollar, Czech Corona. I screwed up on my short on this, which is sad because it's a good setup. I would have just got hit. I would have got out of just now. Yeah. Good setup, but what's going on here? Nope. US dollar, Romanian leu. Well, double bottom, RSI divergence, engulfing candle. So I don't know where it's going, but US dollar, Russian ruble, Singapore dollar. Nah. Thai baht. Yep. That's about everything. I need to update that one. This was a good short setup. I probably missed it because I didn't update my chart. Actually, no, I don't think I did miss it. I think I got stopped out on I got spread. The spread ruined me, of course. Anyway, this is wedging. It's wedging up to this resistance line again, so we'll see. I think that's everything, though. Take a look at oil. Yeah, okay. Yep, that's everything. Take it easy. Take care.